Well, hello there and welcome to another training nugget. In this video, I'll be sharing with you on how to use Loom. While Loom is an application that has been developed by Loom Inc. Loom Inc. is a technology company that provides video communication software for work. Its technology includes screen and camera recording, video editing, transcription, and the ability to share the recorded video with others. Loom tagline is one video is worth 1,000 words, where it allows you to record and share AI-powered video messages with your teammates and customers to supercharge productivity. Well, if you navigate to their website, you'll tell that there is more than 25 million people across 400,000 companies that chose to work with Loom. To get started with Loom, logging in into www.loom.com brings you to their interface. The first thing you'll want to do is to sign into Loom, and they have a trial version, or can we call it a free version. You'll navigate into Loom signing option from the menu. If you have an account, you just sign in using your username and password. If you already have an account, you can sign in with your username and password. If you do not have, then you'll just click on the create option, and on this interface choose to log in directly with any of the accounts that you have, some with Slack, Apple, Outlook, and Google. I will go ahead and click sign in with Google. After filling in the right information from the pop-up menu, I will be navigated into my dashboard area. On the left panel, I'll have a few of the control options, including home, library, watching later, history, and the setting option. Notice with my free account, I have 25 videos, all summing up to 5 minutes each. Notice that I have already 25 videos that can be hosted in my Loom account when I am on the free version. I can even choose to upgrade by clicking on the upgrade option. This allows me to either purchase more advanced features that Loom has got to offer. For me to start my recording, I can click on the record video down here, but you'll notice nothing happens. Well, to make this very possible to work with Loom, you'll navigate into your profile menu. Depending on the browser that you're using, I happen to use Chrome. I'll click install the Chrome extension. Once the Chrome extension has been installed, it will appear on your extension menus. And down here, I have the Loom. So once the extension has installed, if I navigate into the extensions menu on my Google Chrome, I will find the Loom option shown up, available for me to use. On clicking on the Loom option, I have the ability to record a full screen, to record my camera, my microphone, and the option to start my recording. Notice that at the bottom here, I have a headshot, or I can also activate my camera. I can decide to swap that. I can decide to erase that so that I only have my recording option without my camera, or without having any camera and any avatar on my recording. For you to start recording, you'll click on the start recording option after making sure that the settings that are displayed here are the exact settings that you want. If I want to record this screen, so I'll navigate back into my Loom library or dashboard area, and I'll click on start recording. I will confirm, what to share, and definitely this is the interface I like to do. So I'll click and select my screen. So I'll choose the kind of content I would like to record. Either I need an entire screen, either I need a window, or I need to record a Chrome tab. In my case, I will select that I want to record the entire screen. I can also decide to share my tab audio, which I do not want at this moment, and select share. Immediately that launches, Loom now allows me to record anything that is happening on my screen. For example, I can showcase on how to work with Loom, the different options that Loom has on the Google browser. I can also scroll down and feel good that Loom is recording this window that I am working with. Once I've completed this, I'll navigate into my Loom option and tell it to stop recording. Once you press on stop recording, your video will start processing automatically and will be saved in the Loom library. Depending on how long your video is, Loom will take some time. If you will prefer to use a desktop application instead of the direct Google extension option, you can navigate back into Yourube option and from the profile menu, install the desktop application. If you're a mobile phone lover, then downloading as a mobile app will save you a great deal. So going back to our production, the video is being rendered and uploaded here in the library. A number of features that have come in handy when working with Loom, including removal of fillers during recording by clicking on the Loom AI, remove filler word recording option, and also removing silence from your video using Loom AI. Notice that Loom also creates a summary of your video and can also be used to create chapters depending on what your conversation has been. Well, I want us to stop there and believe that you have understood on how Loom works. Well, until next time, I will see you in the next nuggets.